So perfect. So before I hop into the demo here, I just wanted to put a couple of slides on or a couple of things on the screen here about example capabilities. This is something that we'll confirm at the end. We'll get you guys a copy of this so you can take another look later. But here's just a small amount of the features there. I think some people might see one or two things. They might hear a colleague or a friend talk about what they're doing with the AI, and it's only one or two use cases. There's a lot of different things on there, and I know that naturally your eyes probably gravitated to the application you're using the most, and maybe you'll pick up one or two things along the demo today here that you find very interesting that it can do. The absolute game changer that I can talk about is up in Outlook, about maybe 6 over, I think, that follow meetings I can't attend. Right now we're on the call here, but if I was maybe double booked, if any of you have that manic schedule like I sometimes do, you can now send Copilot on your behalf to another meeting. It'll take a brilliant set of notes. It'll give you tasks and follow-up action items at the end of it, specific to who it was assigned to. And it's pretty amazing, actually. I was a little bit unsold. I'm old-fashioned, and that I like writing out notes and following up myself, and it was difficult for me to trust it. But that's absolutely essential to my day-to-day now, and I don't have to go back and watch an hour-long recording of a meeting. I can simply read 5 or 10 minutes of the summary, get my action items, and get about my day. It works as well for when you join a meeting halfway through. Say you're busy for the first half hour and you join halfway through an hour-long meeting, you can summarize and catch up. So you're not looking around trying to figure out what's been said and catch up with certain people. You can just catch up to what's been said and jump right into the live meeting itself. So a lot of really good information there.